Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share something with you guys. I got the Tuttle twins American History and the box just came in, so I don't have any review for it, but I just want to do a really quick flip through. So I was really excited about it. It looks so nice and I liked the previews that they showed on their website. So I thought I would just share what it came with and just kind of what it looks like. And my kids were super excited about going through this one. I was going to go with Not Grass, and I think I still will eventually. I think that we've just gone through so much history lately that my daughter's like, ugh, when I told her I ordered more history stuff, and I was like, no, you're gonna like this. And as soon as I showed it to her, she didn't believe me. As soon as I showed it to her, she was like, oh. And she's like, okay, well, that's cool. So I'm gonna show you guys this now. So this all came in a small box. Looks like it came with a DVD with 3 episodes. Tuttle twins, I've actually haven't looked into that, so that'll be interesting. And then this is the first book, 1215 through 1776. And the second book is 1776 through 1791. And then this upcoming fall, when we jump into the Not Grass curriculum that I want to get into for American history, that's going to be more detailed with like dates and pictures and stuff. And I know that that's going to be from pioneer time to present day, so I'm not too worried about this not going specifically to present day right now. I wasn't sure if it had a table of contents or not. I haven't opened this thing up yet. I think maybe it just jumps straight in. Oh, there it is. Okay, so table of contents. Marco Polo and the Silk Road. And the reason I ended up getting this one, and I just wanted to go through this one first, is just I really like the concept of storytelling and having things understood through story, and then being able to have children understand because they can relate to what was happening and how that actually affects things in the real world. And sometimes reading through facts and information, you don't link those things together. You don't understand how you can learn from the past, or you don't always understand how that still affects things now. And I think that those are really important concepts to learn. I also have a link for the Tuttle twins below if you guys are interested in looking this up. So I got the pack that comes with both books, and if you do both books at the same time, you can get access to their online videos and printables, which I still have to print out. So once I kind of go a little bit more through this, I'll start printing some of the stuff out and I'll show you guys that. But it does have, that's nice. It has timelines, it has real pictures, as illustrations. And I like that it's just kind of this family, and they're just kind of talking about history, or they're going through things, and it's just happening naturally, I think, in conversation. At least that's what the description says happens throughout this whole book. And I think that just makes it really easy to consume for young children. And I think it probably just makes it more fun too. I got both at the same time just because I wanted access to the worksheets, I wanted access to the videos. I think that they have audio too, and it just looks like it was a really, really good bundle. And I knew that I was eventually if I was gonna get this book, I was gonna get the second one to complete it. So I figured I might as well just wait until I could get them both. Oof. Oh, nice, a recipe. Liberty for all. Propaganda. Yeah, I think I like any kind of book where it doesn't just spit facts at you, but it really tries at least to teach you how to think for yourself. It's so nice. It feels so nice when you get a new book, you know, and hasn't been opened yet. So that's the table of contents. And then there was another book bundle that I was wanting to get. I just haven't gotten it yet. That does talk about things like that, like fallacies. That's nice. Talking about inflation. Unfair buying power. Currency. Let me know if you guys have bought or read any of the Tuttle Twin stuff and what have been your favorites. I really like, I really like almost all of the stuff that they have when I look at it. It just looks really interesting and like entertaining, like things my kids would like, but it looks really useful also. And like I said, I think it was the fallacies and conspiracies and just some different ones that I saw that came in a bundle that I really liked. All things that just kind of make you think. That. But sometimes it can be really hard for me to want to, invest in a new system or a new book if I can't see inside of it properly. Like, I really like flip throughs when I see them on here because I have a much better idea of if something looks interesting enough to me and what I'm spending my money on. Amendments, that's good. It would be necessary if this is like a history book, but it's good that it's not scattered, that it's all in one place, like right here. And I like that they put this on a different kind of page. That way it's easy to find and flip back to. All right, I guess that's it for now. Those who don't learn from the past are condemned to repeat it. Yep. So I know that was really fast and basic, but that's it for now until we actually start reading through it, and then I can properly review it, or I can show you more of the printables, or I can show you the videos, like clips of the videos that it comes with, because I don't know what any of that looks like yet because I literally just opened the box and I was just super excited. So I just wanted to flip through it for you guys and, well, with you guys, really, for me, but with you guys. And I went to my co-op today, got a new shirt, super happy because it was my birthday earlier this week, and this was kind of like my birthday present to myself. So I don't know, it makes me feel really happy when I wear it because it's pink and it says loved and it's John 3:16, and yeah, it's just a great verse. Anyway, I hope that you guys are having a great day and a great week, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.